Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the first day of October 2020, and this is going to be a video where we're going to update you all on our basic attention token price forecast of where we're expecting the track to take the market for this currency pair between the USD Tether. So if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our content, the simplicity of our speech and our charts. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel before you leave. And also, if you guys want to follow us on our other social media platforms, you can also do that as well. The links are in the description of this video, because as you can see, we're one of the only organizations that's giving you all a price projection as to where we're expecting the market trapper to take the value of cryptocurrencies. When everyone says you can't do it, we've been showing that you can. And for instance, you guys can see right here on this particular price chart for basic attention token that we were looking for the trap to lower the value of this token, and that precisely came to pass in the market ever since we did our last video in basic attention token, which was on the 14th of September. You guys can literally see that we expected the market to go lower in price. It did, and ultimate TP came in on the 21st of September right there. So 7 days from our video, from September the 14th to the 21st, the market came and hit TP, which is about 13.13%. We were in position before the trap was able to actually get the market there. That's how you're able to maintain and get the profits out the market before anyone else. You have to visualize, anticipate where's the next likely movement of where the trap is going to take the value of this currency, of these tokens. So that's more information right there that you all can see. 13.13%. It is over. Now we need to speak on what he plans to do in the future. So let's take this away. And since the month is brand new, we're going to look at the monthly chart for basic attention token for the month of October. Let's see how the month of September ended for basic attention token. And you guys can see right here that we did not end pretty good into the market for basic attention token. No, we did not. What occurred for the month of August bled over into the month of September, to the point to where the market had succumbed to breakage below 28 cents. That area was very crucial for the long term in order for basic attention token to see higher price. And when you look at all of these months in combination, one with another, we're not in any biased direction in basic attention token. We're just simply in a massive consolidation range. That's it. Which is not bad and which is not good. It is what it is. So we're not seeing any directional bias from the trap in terms of direction and basic attention token in the long term. So the only thing that we have going in favor of the trap is just to substantiate where support and restriction levels are going to be at, because we're not in a trend. And you might even see some people give a trend like this on a monthly time frame. You know, where the market in basic attention token started its trend from the 1st of April, and then it broke it last month, September. So that trend, if anything, is now broken. So the upward trend that basic attention token started in April, it broke last month. So our expectations to see the market in basic attention token go higher is waning. All right, now let's start off. Let's also look at the weekly chart for basic attention token, and zooming out, I don't see a lot. I just don't see any forecast directional bias in the market from the trap right now. The only thing that I'm seeing is just sideways consolidational trading. And we have already identified 28 cents for restriction, and that still stands. Support is down here around 20. So there's about, I would say around 20 cents to 18 cents is where the trap will hold support. But that's about it. So the only thing that you can really do in the market in basic attention token is just to trade it. It's just to get in at low prices and then try to sell at high prices. There's just nothing here to substantiate a new trend taking place. Now, don't get it twisted, because the market in basic attention token is still showing us overall weakness over the last couple of trading days. So initially, in the short term, we are in weakness. So let's take a look at the market now on the daily time frame in basic attention token. And as you all can see, there's just nothing here as to why the market trend will start higher prices. Not yet. We're just simply seeing the market trade. So like I said, we're going to look for the market to try to hold support in basic attention token right here around 20 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw that in. And the near-term restriction area that the market will have to break above in order to resume higher prices at 26. So it's not at 28. So we can actually lower this particular restriction area because the market is trading here closer to 26 cents. So there's no need for us to have a restriction level at 28 cents when the market cannot even break above 26. Okay. So this is it. This is a very small consolidational area for the daily to hourly time frames only. Now, if you're looking at this on a weekly and a monthly, then 28 cents is restriction, but we're not looking at that. Okay. As a matter of fact, I don't like that area at 26 cents. I'm still seeing a better area at 28. So I'm going to put it back up there around 28 cents and hold it there. Okay. That's what we're going to do. So expectations into the market is mundane. We're still looking for the market in basic attention token just trade within those two areas. 28 cents restriction, 20 cents as support, and nothing else. So this is not a forecast. We are not going to put in a forecast as to where we're expecting the trap to take the market in basic attention token. I'm just going to sit the sideline until we get a buyer's direction as to what he wants to do. But for right now, we don't see anything here that requires any capital to be infused into the market from our standpoint. Now you might, and if so, tell us, give us your comment as to whether or not you're expecting basic attention token to go higher. Are you expecting it to go lower, or are you expecting it to do what we're expecting it to do, which is trade within this range of 28 cents restriction and 20 cents as support? Tell us, leave us a comment, and that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, we'll see you all on our next video.